Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Oh, this fabulous rock on my hand. I am absolutely thrilled with this ring from IMOLOVE. I get so many compliments on it, and when they ask if it's real, I tell them, yes it is, because this is a moissanite stone. Moissanite stones are often mistaken for diamonds because they're very similar, but moissanites have a higher refractive index, which means they're actually more brilliant and colorful than a diamond is. I got the 1 carat halo style ring with POV stones along the outside of the solitaire. This is so dazzling and gorgeous. And I love that with the ring, it actually comes with a certificate of authenticity, and you can actually look up the grade of the ring. This ring is D color, which is excellent quality. This is also sterling silver with 18 karat white gold plating. This is high quality, and you can feel that when you hold it, it has a nice weight to it. I wear a 4 1/4 size ring, so I went ahead and sized up to a 4 1/2. And then I just got a ring sizer for it to put on the back so that it fits perfectly and doesn't really move around. This comes beautifully packaged, and anyone would be thrilled and delighted to get it. It would make a beautiful gift, or I mean, you could just buy it for yourself. I really love it, and that's my point of view.